The science of muscle recovery and the science of hypertrophy, which is getting the muscle bigger, right? They're not exactly the same. So most people think, all right, we break our muscles down and then we eat protein and then they get bigger. And more or less on a first grade level, that is it. But there's a lot more to it. Sometimes hypertrophy doesn't set in for maybe 18 months, it depends. Different people respond different ways. And maybe that's because not everyone pushes the same and there's all kind of nuance to it. But people respond differently to training. And we know that. But we don't have that many studies with that many fit people because there's just not that many people in the population who go to the gym all the time. So, but if you do, you're going to make yourself one of those basically superhuman outliers because almost nobody goes to the gym all the time. I do. You should too. Muscle recovery, moreover, is rebuilding the little tears that you've done in your muscle. And again, that's not exactly the same thing as hypertrophy. You do that enough, then yes, you will get hypertrophy, which means bigger muscles. But there's all kinds of different types of hypertrophy. There's cross-sectional area hypertrophy of the muscle. There's hypertrophy of the sarcoplasm. If you remember your cell models that you probably did in elementary school or later, right? There's all kinds of different stuff that we're just not sure about. We're still learning a whole lot about what makes hypertrophy happen. And we're getting a lot more of an answer. And a lot of it is damage. Stress, tension, and damage. STD are the big three. And the damage is the micro damage from the fibers that, we redo. But there's also metabolic stress, which are the metabolites, and tension, which is the weight we use.